Hello and welcome to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I am Dustin. We're going to be looking at Palantir. And if you are watching this after watching my Tesla video, which I released today, tell me what you think about the difference between starting with the raw data like I am here with Palantir or looking at the charts like I did with Tesla. So here looking at Palantir, one of the things that is the most interesting, well, first off, it was down 7.28% today. That was a rough one. It's down 8.5% over the rolling 5 days and down 0.4% for 15 days. You're getting my live reaction here. That kind of freaks me out. I don't know what to think. When I look over here at this short-term action, it looks like it's going to go bearish tomorrow. That's not a great signal. You can see the go long, the go long, the go long. Those have all stopped. I don't know if we're going to get a go short signal. It does look like we've gone underneath the 5-day moving average as well, or at least the 5-day moving average has gone below the 20-day moving average, something. But either way, it's not good. Let's look and see. So one of the things that I like to highlight, and if you just watch my Tesla video, you'll notice that I talked about the bullish or bearish sentiment. This is the bullish or bearish sentiment, but this is the raw data that feeds into one of these graphs. The difference is I'm looking at the ultra fast. So this is going to be like the 2-day or 3-day average, kind of averaged together and then rolled up and compared against not just the bullishness, but the bearishness as well. You can see the bearishness is right there in the blue, but I normally keep it hidden because honestly, who cares about the bearish side? We just want to see the bull side. When we start to look, we're seeing what is now a falling bear, which looks like it started on 613, which makes sense because the 10-day bullish sentiment is starting to roll over. It was at 67% that day. It is going to be at 53% tomorrow. These moves are not to be messed with. If we look at the signals, I don't know what's going on here, but it looks like at least we're having a little bit, oh, I know what it is. There's no actual, these are zeros. That's the problem. What we're seeing here, though, is it looks like the bearishness is starting to rear its ugly head because I say the bear key 3 already has one signal where the bullishness hasn't shown one since the middle of May. And if you look back to when we got the most recent buy signal, I can't even see when that was, but you can see that when the buy signals were hot, when they were popping here, when it was 5s in the middle of May, that was the time to buy. You wanted to buy here when it was at $9 when those buy signals were popping on the key 3. But now when we look at it, it looks like things have changed. But I'm very curious, what do you think? Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? I'll talk to you soon.